conduction, heat transfer through conduction. So today we will talk about heat transfer through convection. Okay, so the basic concept behind it means the basic concept behind the working of convection is when air get heated, air expands. Okay, and when air expands, it become lighter. Okay, it become lighter, and obviously when air become lighter, it rises up. When air rises up, an empty space is created here. Means a vacuum is here. So somebody is takes the space here. So who will takes the space here? Maybe the air from the site which is present in the surrounding. That is a cold air. Cold air takes the space here, and again this cold air heated up and rises up. So the heated air rises up, cooler air comes down, and the cooler air from the sides they comes down, they get heated, and this process continue, and this is how convection work actually. This is how the liquid inside the vessels get heated up. So let's take an example. If you put water on the gas, it does happens the entire water get heated up quickly? No. Initially the lower water heated up, and then they will move up. Move up means the lower water heated up and they will move up, then and the cooler layer will go down. Okay, so it happens again and again, it make a cycle again. So hot air will go up again, cool air will come down again, it will go up, and that's how after some time entire water will be heated. So this is how convection work. So this mode of heat transfer is known as convection. So I hope you understood what do you mean by convection and how does it happens. Convection happens in case of liquids and gases. We can say fluids. You can see this activity here. Transfer of heat by convection in air. Okay, let's say you take a candle and you put your hand just above the flame of candle. What happens? You feel quite hot, right? You feel quite hot. Why do you feel hot? That is due to convection, because you see you are not a direct contact with flame. You are not a direct contact with flame. There is a medium between two. The air, that is air. So the particle of the air which can actually help is transferring the heat, and then that's why you are feeling hot. Now if you place your other hand on the other side of the flame, you can see it here. Okay, so here you will feel less hot comparison to the hand which is just on the candle. That's because the convection happens here. So that's why this is so hot, and is in other hand the cooler air are present. When air is heat, it is move upper side. You know that air rises and it move upper side, because rises air move upward direction. So upper layer are maximum hotter and the side air are cooler. So the cooler air coming here. Okay, cooler air coming from the surrounding and the hot air rises up. So that's why you feel hot. Okay, so the process of convection is actually making you feeling hot when you place your hand just above the flame, when you compare it, when compared to placing it on the side. Okay, so that's why you feel hot, because your hand is just above the flame, and here the convection process, through the convection process. Okay, and your other hand is inside, so there is no convection. The air does not feel as hot as at the top. So I hope you understood.